Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to delete your Google Voice calls history. So to get started with a straightforward guide on how you can simply delete your Google Voice call history. So the first thing to do, which is going to be in 2 dimensions, I'm going to walk you through a guide on how you can really easily do that on a computer or probably if you're on mobile. So I'm just going to walk you through 2 of these methods. So if you're on computer, just go to your go to voice.google.com. Then from there, sign into your account using your email and your password, which is your Google Mail. Then from there, click on the call tab. So if it is on the phone icon, that will be on the left corner. So hover over to your call wants to delete, then click the three dot icon which is next to it and select delete. Then confirm by clicking the delete again. Then if it is on the mobile app, open the Google Voice app on your mobile, then go to the call tab, tap and hold the call you want to delete. Then from there, tap the trash icon or delete button. Then from there, confirm the deletion. And that's how you can simply delete your Google Voice call history. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn off the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.